Hey, Cookaholic Chef Kendra here, and today we're making onion smothered chicken breast. So let's you and I do what we do and make it happen. First thing I'm gonna do is slice the onion very thinly. I'm gonna season this chicken with black pepper. Sea salt. And lemon pepper. And I'm gonna work the seasoning into every bit of that chicken. And this is boneless, skinless chicken breast. Now I'm just gonna set this aside. Love bacon up in here. This is not the most gorgeous bacon I've ever seen, but this brand's actually pretty tasty. Guys, I hope it doesn't start raining on me. That would suck. We keep it going though. This is how we do it. So for this recipe, we have bacon, we have brown sugar, we have golden pepper jack cheese, lemon pepper seasoning, pepper, sea salt, little vegetable oil, and boneless skinless chicken breast. Now we left a little of the bacon fat in here, and we're gonna add the onions. Get in there, onions, bacon, onions. Oh my goodness, that was incredible. Now what we're gonna do now is a faux caramelization of the onions. We're gonna add some brown sugar. We're gonna cook and stir until the brown sugar has dissolved and then the onions become soft. And we're gonna have that on basically medium low. Now we were caramelizing onions. Traditionally, it would take maybe 45 minutes to get them completely caramelized. When you're watching cooking shows and they throw them in, talking about some 15 minutes to caramelize onions, that's a little bit of a trick. It takes a lot longer to caramelize onions correctly. So the brown sugar is going to add a little bit of color, and it's going to add a little bit of the sweetness that you would get from traditionally caramelizing onions. Okay, that's just how I like them. So I'm going to remove them. This plate right here. Now we're cooking all this in one pan. That's a plus. I'm gonna add a little vegetable oil to this. Not much, maybe a couple tablespoons. So you saw me pouring that vegetable oil, about a tablespoon or two. You get some gloves on here. I don't want a bunch of chicken fingers on here. These gloves are tight. I have small hands. We season the chicken with the lemon pepper seasoning, the salt, and the pepper. Now we're gonna just cook the chicken too on both sides. That's perfect. That's gonna need another flip. These two are perfect. Okay guys, we're gonna plate this. You can find this and other fine recipes at chefkendra.weebly.com. That's chefkendra.weebly.com. You know I got you. Yo, that's all for this time. See you next time. Chef Kendra's out. Peace.